Hi there. So I'm new to running a Dayz server, and I was getting frustrated with the lack of information out there when trying to install an item mod into the server and then actually adding it to the traders. On our server, we're running the expansion mod as well. So this video is basically adding Cannabis Plus to the Dayz expansion and adding it to your traders. This might not be 100% correct, but I've just figured this out for myself and it's added it into the game and it's working just fine for us. So basically the first thing you'd want to do is you want to come into your server directory and you want to open up your missions. Go to the mission you're using, come into database, and you've got types here, and you've also got types in the Cannabis Plus info folder. So for us, like usually within here, it might have your server name, but we use the workshop IDs. That's why it's all just numbers and jibber jabber. And then once you come into here, you open up your info. You've got Cannabis Plus types. Basically, you just want to copy everything in here. And then you want to come over to your types within your database. And you want to paste it. For me, I pasted it below the what was already inside of this folder. So I think it stops at about zucchini seed pack or something like that. And as you can see, like here, so if we scroll back up, yeah, so zucchini seeds pack is the last kind of vanilla entry, and then I just pasted it in under that last entry under /type. The only thing you want to make sure about when you're pasting it in is you paste it in before this here /types, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to copy over this file here, the expansion trader Cannabis Plus. Let me just open it up and verify that. Yeah, so this has all the class names and everything inside of it. So what I did was I came back over to Dayz server data. So this might be profiles on your server or SC or something like that. And then I opened up expansion mod within here, market, and you can see it there. So basically what I've done is I've dragged this folder over, put it inside the market folder and renamed it to Cannabis Plus. So now that you've got these items within the market, you need to link it to one of the expansion mod traders themselves. So the way I did that was I came into traders and I put it into special trader because the special trader doesn't really sell too much to begin with. If we open up special trader and then just put in what is in the market. So in the market, as you saw earlier, I renamed it to Cannabis Plus. So I just put in Cannabis Plus. Just make sure when you put it in, if you're adding it under something, that there's a comma on the previous entry. I'd also recommend copying this and pasting it into like a JSON validator. You can just find that online or whatever. And then once I had done that, I believe, yeah, so I copied this one here. I'll just also open that up to verify. Yeah, so this is like your kind of like configuration file, I believe. I'm not 100% sure. I copied that and I went back into the Dayz server data, the expansion mod in the settings, and I added that into here, into the settings, and again just renamed it to Cannabis Plus. So this is where the other ones are, like damage system settings, and as you can see it's kind of similar somewhat, but yeah, I've just put that in there and it worked on the server. But yeah, hopefully that works for you and saves you from ripping your hair out like I was. Thanks. See ya.